guys, my name is Akash Patil and today's Viva topic is access modifier and non-access modifiers. Modifiers. Modifiers are keywords that let us find or tune access to our class and its members. Their scope and behavior is in certain situations. For example, we can control which classes, objects, and access certain members of our class. Whether a class can be inherited or not, whether we can override a method, whether we should override a method, etc. Modifiers in Java fall into one of two groups: access and non-access. First is access. Access, public, private, protected, and non-access, static, final, abstract, volatile, transient, and native. First one is access modifier. The access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor, or class. We can change the access level of fields, constructor, methods, and class by applying the access modifier on it. There are four types of Java access modifiers. First one is private. The access level of private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. When an entity is private, then this entity cannot be accessed outside the class. A private entity can only be accessible from within the class. Second is the default. The access level of default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you don't use any modifier, it is treated as default by value. The default modifier is accessible only within a package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. It provides more accessibility than private, but it is more restrictive than protected and public. Third is protected. The access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot accessed from outside the package. The protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. It provides more accessibility than the default modifier. 4 is the public. The public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has the widest scope among all other modifiers. The access level of a public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package, and outside the package. If you are overriding any method, overridden method must not be restricted. Second part is non-access modifier. These types of modifiers are used to control a variety of things, such as inheritance capabilities, whether all objects of our class share the same member value or have their own values of those members, whether a method can be overridden in a subclass, etc. Following are some non-access modifiers in Java. First one is static. The member belongs to the class, not to objects of that class. Each static modifier makes a class member independent of any object of the class. Second is final. The keyword final can have one of the three meanings: to define name constants, to prevent a method from being overridden, to prevent a class being inherited. Third is abstract. The abstract modifier is used to define methods that will be implemented in a class subclass later on. Most often it is used to in a subclass, or it cannot be implemented in a superclass. Thank you so much.